Your next car could be the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer. This rugged Wagoneer delivers impressive capability and family-friendly space and comfort. Whether you're road trip cruising, towing, or exploring a new off-road trail, this luxuriously appointed adventure vehicle makes the journey magical. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, sunroof, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors. Live large. Get behind the wheel of this well-equipped Wagoneer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.